Are you tired of spending money on expensive bottled water? Do you want a convenient and cost-effective solution to ensure clean and healthy drinking water for you and your family? Introducing Zen Water, the ultimate water filter system and portable water purification system. With the Zen countertop water filter system, you can enjoy pure, refreshing water right from your own kitchen. Let's take a closer look at what makes Zen Water the go-to choice for water filtration. First, the Zen Water Filter system features a powerful 8-stage filtration process. It effectively removes impurities, chlorine, heavy metals, bacteria, and other contaminants, while retaining essential minerals, giving you clean, great-tasting water every time. Water filtration using the Zen Water Filter system uses a unique combination of ceramic filters, activated carbon, silica sand, mineral stones, and far-infrared balls to deliver unparalleled water purification. It's like having a natural spring in your own home. Convenience is essential, and the Zen Water Filter system delivers. With its 4-gallon countertop dispenser, you'll have plenty of purified water available at all times. No need to constantly refill small pitchers or deal with bulky water bottles. Plus, its sleek and compact design fits perfectly on any kitchen counter or office space. Maintaining the Zen Water Filter system is a breeze. It's easy to assemble and clean, ensuring you're always drinking from a clean and hygienic water source. And with its long-lasting filters, you'll save money compared to buying bottled water. Imagine the peace of mind you'll have knowing that every sip of water you take is free from harmful contaminants. The Zen Water Filtration System is not just a water filter, it's an investment in your health and well-being. Since we started using the Zen Water Filter system, our family's water consumption has increased, and we feel so much better knowing that we're drinking pure water. I love how easy it is to use and how great the water tastes. It's made a noticeable difference in the quality of our daily lives. Don't compromise on the quality of your drinking water. Join the thousands of satisfied customers who have made the switch to Zen Water Filter. Say goodbye to bottled water and hello to a healthier lifestyle. Zen Countertop Water Filter, your source of pure, refreshing water, anytime, anywhere.